Prince Harry could be facing a legal bill of something in the region of £1 million after losing his High Court challenge against the decision to change the security arrangements while he visits the UK. For more on the decision itself, I'll link my video of yesterday in the description below, just in case you missed it. But if we cast our mind back to October of last year, when there was a Freedom of Information request submitted to the Home Office to reveal that the Home Office had spent something in the region of £407,000 in legal fees defending his action as of October last year, detailing those to be £265,000 for government legal department and a further £137,000 on counsel. Bearing in mind that that was before the 3-day hearing in December, so all of those figures are going to be, or likely to be, significantly higher. And this, of course, not even to mention that Harry, if you recall, now I considered slotting in one of my old videos, but I'm going to end up in a continuous loop of playing my old videos, so I'll just explain. But Harry withdrew his case against Associated Newspapers, if you recall, in January, the Mail on Sunday, and the legal fees for that are also likely to be in the region of £750,000, because if you remember, that was the one where he made an application to strike out the defence, where the judge said, well, actually, there is a reasonable prospect here of successfully defending that claim, after which Harry withdrew that claim and is therefore likely to be liable for a significant portion, if not most or all, of those fees. And all of this, if you remember, followed the judge's order that he pay £48,000 towards those costs. So the total figure is estimated to be in the region of £750,000, including the newspaper's legal fees of something in the region of £250,000. So putting all of those together, these losses are going to start to add up for Prince Harry to the tune of millions of pounds in legal fees, which is possibly one of the reasons that he's seeking permission to appeal yesterday's decision to the Court of Appeal and needs the court's permission to do so. That's the one thing that might have an effect on whether he has to pay these legal costs at all. So once again, for more on that decision, I'll link that in the description below. For more on the previous case against the newspaper, I will try to remember to link that in the description below. And of course, there's likely to be more on this as and when we learn of whether or not he gets permission to appeal, and if so, when that's likely to be heard. So if that were the case, then this is going to drag on for a reasonably long time. Otherwise, if he doesn't get permission to appeal, it will end as of the judgment yesterday, and then we will hear more about costs. So for more on this, please do like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.